Hi, my name is Gene Fetty. My company is Dent Repair Now. We're based just south of Pittsburgh. We serve the whole Pittsburgh market as well as the tri-state area, reaching into West Virginia and parts of Ohio. So paintless dent repair is the art of removing dents without any painting, filling, sanding, anything like that. It was developed back in the 40s to fix door dings and small dents on the assembly lines. And we're able to go in and manipulate the metal with special tools right back to like it never happened. So I got started in paintless dent repair in 2002 when I decided that I couldn't detail cars anymore. It was tearing my body up too much and it was time to move on. I talked to the PDR guy that used to come into my detail shop and fix dents, and he pointed me down the road and I went out for training, and 14 years later, here I am. So myself, I really like to specialize in large, complex damage. So some of the big dents that you could get from a deer running into the side of your car, as long as there's no paint damage or structural damage, a lot of times we can fix that. I really enjoy taking on those big, challenging dents. The easiest place to reach us is on our website at dentrepairnow.com. You can just pick up the phone and give us a ring, 724-554-1756. Hey, thanks for watching.